Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for niche app development business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you to it helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So let's create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. So let's choose this for example. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your address, your business address. Now let's move on. Set your default working hours. Here if you want to add some services, so I'm gonna choose them all. Now let's continue. Here add your stuff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. So let's choose them all and let's continue to dashboard. So design your site from here. Now how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Here enter your information, your business name, your email and your address and your phone, and here if you want to add some social links. Now let's continue. Pick a theme you like, and now pick your favorite homepage. And now add page to your site. So now your site is up and running. If you want to edit more your website, click here, go to the edit. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element you have here and the elements list is the text. The text element. Here you can choose the shape or the form of the text. Select any text you want. Here also the titles and the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image. If you're looking for something, here if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the themed buttons, text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons. So if you want to edit the shapes or the size of the button, you can add it on your home page. Also the payments buttons, you have to add some payments buttons on your home page at any place you want. Now the strip element, here you find the classic, featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials and theme. So now let's move on to the decorative. Here we find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Also here we find featured, icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. And here we find the video elements, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. Also here we find the boxes elements, the themed boxes and the container boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. So now let's move on to the galleries elements. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries, just select any one of them and put it on your home page. Here we find the menus in the anchor. If you want to edit your menus, the themed menus and or the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here we find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu. Also here we find the search, the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and the forms. Here you find you find all the forms you have to add on your homepage. You find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, and the application forms, the feedback forms, request forms, and the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. Here we find the Google Maps, the maps and the full width maps, the chat, the Wix chat, and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here we find the video elements. If you want to add some single video players, Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Also here we find the music elements, the audio players, the Wix music and SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here we find the slideshows. If you want to add some full width slideshows or the box slideshows, here we find the light boxes. You can edit your light boxes section. Here we find the normal boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs, and the over repeaters. Now let's move on to the list, the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you wanna custom some popular embeds, if you wanna add single video players, if you wanna edit your audio elements here, the SoundCloud player, wanna add some Spotify player or iTunes button. Here we find the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the Velo dev mode, and the last here is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bars. You can add some social bars you want. Here we find the Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and the last here is YouTube. You can add your YouTube link on the home page. Here we find the payments section. Here you can add the payments buttons or the payments forms, the pricing plans, and the store. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site's contents, you can use the CMS. Here we find the blog. If you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, here you find the store, and here the bookings elements, and the related elements, and the pricing plans. Here we find the events. If you want to create and manage events, here you find the community section and your designs sections. So that's it. Now here if you want to add some section, select any section you want to add on your home page, and that's it. Now let's move on to the page and menu. If you want to add some page and menus, so that's it. You can add some sites menu. If you want to design your site, here you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to add some more apps. Here if you want to manage your business. Also here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos. Here if you want to some free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here the CMS. If you want to use the CMS, easily manage your site's contents. So here you can add to your site or find out more. Here you can manage the Google ads or the Facebook ads or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from this designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish. You're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.